Hey you guys, so I totally spaced out on this month's Ipsy unboxing because I was totally waiting on BoxyCharm. I was going through some of my boxes, completely was kind of confused for a little bit. I actually was really confused for a little bit why I hadn't seen my BoxyCharm, and then I just completely forgot that they had merged into Ipsy. So I've had this box here for a little bit. I completely forgot about it, like I said, but we're gonna go ahead and dive into it together. I'm sure some of you guys have already seen some of these unboxings, but I wanted to share with you guys anyways and see what's inside of it. I'm opening it up. I have a lot of boxes here, like PR boxes, that I actually was going to share on TikTok. So if you guys want to follow me over on TikTok, I'll go ahead and post my handle here. It's just Steph's Beauty 05, just like it is here for YouTube. I was just going to post it on there because I feel like those are pretty quick to get through, unless you guys still want to see them here on YouTube. Otherwise, I like to just do those more as like what's new in beauty and kind of include those in there. So we're going to go ahead and get diving into it. If you guys are new to my channel, I welcome you to hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get right into this. I'm really hoping that by this angle, you guys can't see just how dry my face is. I did microdermabrasion and it is peeling. And I was doing as much as I could to not film because nobody wants to film when you have peely skin. But of course I needed to. So my face feels super dry. It's like peeling. Like I said, it's peeling and it's dry. And it just, from up close, it does not look really pretty. So thankfully I have these nice lights that are hopefully covering a little bit of this on. Again, I put on light makeup, which is why I did the bold lip, because I felt like I needed a pick-me-up. This month's theme is anything is possible. If you post any of their, things using any of their products, make sure to tag Ipsy and BoxyCharm. So it's official, they've merged. I knew they were gonna merge, we've already talked about it, but I didn't know if inside this box that was sent would be some Boxy and Ipsy. I didn't know how that would work, but it's all Ipsy. So let's go ahead and let's start with this bag. I'm assuming this is the baby bag. I've talked about this before. The baby bag is probably like my favorite bag because I feel like you get such good little steals in here. And the first thing I have here is by Farrah, and they are two little mini sponges. I've got this by the Nuco. This is a Barrier Culture Moisturizer. I have a Real Her. It looks like a mascara. This is a length volume mascara. Shades by Sean. This is the gel eyeliner. This looks like a deep forest. It's like a really deep green. And then the last thing I have is this little thing, which Benefit did send me some full-size ones, and I really need to play around with them. I have yet to do that, but this is their new line. This is the Professional Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foam Cleanser. I like the packaging on this. I'm gonna go ahead and hold on to that. I know that all the packaging for their skincare line looks like this. I actually saw it at Ulta the other day when I was there. Let's move into Ipsy, the bigger box. The first thing I see here is by Toe Vegan. This is the Red Remedy Toner. It's their Color Food series. It's a nutrient-rich vegan skincare line that's rooted in the organic colors and beauty of nature. Next up I have is by LYS. Ooh, this is the LYS No Limits Cream Bronzer Stick. I do really like their powder bronzer. It's a little bit more deep, so right now, like, it doesn't work really well for me, but like in the summer, it gives me such a good flush, and it's like warm, bronzy. It looks beautiful. You don't need any blush, and you kind of like just put it all around your skin. I'm a huge fan of that. But I have the shade Harmony, which is the shade medium, so that's good, because that's exactly my shade. All right, here's the packaging. And here is the stick. I've been really, ooh, look at that. How creamy is that? I am really into cream products. I feel like my skin is like the best it's ever been for cream products themselves. So I have been utilizing so many cream bronzers, cream blushes, like liquid, everything. Like if I can get my hands on it, I'll totally throw it on my face. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna enjoy it. Just love the color of it. I like the stick. It really reminds me so much of like the Hourglass. I like the packaging. It's pretty chubby and it's got a good clip on it. The next thing I have here is by Origins. This is the Origins Ginseng Into the Glow Brightening Serum. And I have the Fenty Beauty. This is the Gloss Bomb Heat, which is a like gloss slash plumper. And this is in Lemon Lava. They sent me one a while ago, and it was like this, deep, deep pink Really love it. I keep it all the time. These plumpers are really good, and they don't like plump it too much where it's like you don't want to keep it on your lips. Like it's like a good lip plumper. And on the back of my hand, it is right here. You know, there's something to be said about like a light gloss that just has like a little bit of sparkle. The other day I was with a girlfriend, and she had just like a clear gloss on, and it had a little bit of sparkle, and I could not stop staring at her lip gloss because it was so pretty. Like it just elevated her simple look. It made it look really clean, and I just couldn't stop looking at her lip gloss, and I just like kept thinking like I really need to like dive into like a sparkly lip gloss more often. So the last thing I see here is a box, which leads me to believe I knew it. I knew when I saw the white box it was going to be the Natasha Denona palette. I just didn't know which one it was, but this is the Natasha Denona Aloe palette. Oh, look at these colors. You guys, how freaking awesome. Like this is a good palette just to keep on your beauty desk. This is the other one that I use from her all the time, and this is in Cupid. So I know for a fact I'm gonna use this. And then the other one I really do like that I use all the time, I'm really into these little small palettes, is this little one that I got. I believe it was from a subscription box also, and this is the Pat McGrath one. So anything like this recently, I've been such a fan, you guys. Browns. I know, it's so simple, but you guys, I love a good brown. Here you have it, all 5 shades, 3 mattes, 3 metallics, super easy, and just perfect for your makeup bag. Keep it with you on the go. If you're somebody that applies your makeup in the afternoon after work or whatever, go for day to nighttime. I really like the big palettes. I was really into a lot of bigger palettes, I feel like, up until recently, and I kind of have just gone here the last couple of months into like really enjoying small palettes. But I go back and forth all the time. That there is what I received from Ipsy. This is the first month of Ipsy / BoxyCharm together. I promise you guys next month it'll be a lot sooner and I won't wait as long. I had a feeling in my mind when this merger would happen that I may forget, but of course, clearly I did. But you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know how you feel like the mergers went this month, and if you have any comments or questions down below, you guys know you guys can always ask me. I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you so much for spending the time with me, and I will see you guys later. Bye.